Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope we are having a great day. Today guys, we are making 2-ingredient chocolate fudge. Let's get started. We're gonna start off by greasing our pan with butter. The reason we grease this, we want the parchment paper to stick to the pan, guys. Align the pan with the parchment paper, just like so, guys. Then set aside. For this recipe, we are going to use 2 kinds of chocolate, dark chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate. We are also going to use sweetened condensed milk. So let's get started. In a medium bowl, combine sweetened condensed milk with chocolate chips, then microwave for 30 minutes. Guys, make sure to use microwave safe bowl. So what we are going to do here, we are going to melt this milk chocolate mixture in 30 seconds increments, stirring in between until it's all melted. Keep stirring until chocolate is melted. We microwaved mine for 1 minute. It all depends how powerful your microwave is. Mix, mix, mix. You have to be fast with this recipe, guys, as the mixture will soon solidify. Now the fudge is ready. We're gonna pour it into a prepared pan. Then, using the spatula, I'm gonna spread it across the pan. Refrigerate this for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. So what's gonna happen, we're gonna cut it into pieces, then serve it. That's how simple this recipe is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and your family, and please don't forget to subscribe and to check on my holiday playlist. So if you are looking for a dessert that's quick, no bake, and melts in your mouth, these easy chocolate fudge bars are definitely the recipe to try. All you need to make the fudge is chocolate chips and condensed milk. The fudge can sit out at room temperature. It can also be made ahead of time. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Share it with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.